Hello! Another small video about the Uniform 3D editor app. So I called it Matcap question mark. So are there Matcaps? So when you start the Uniform app, so this shading or this thing here is what you get. And yeah, there are no Matcaps, but okay, so I compare it always to Nomad Sculpt. So you see here the matcaps here in Nomad Sculpt, and you can change here easily the shading. And yeah, so here in Uniform there is here at the top this shading thing here. So when you press it, you get this here. So you can here change the to solid color and so on. And yeah, let's test it, what happens when we change here something. So I think here, yeah, not much. I don't, here rim light off, on. Okay, but here you see some options, very small. So when you press here this small plus icon, sorry, the wrong. So here press this library icon. And here you see these are two matcaps I made myself. So, and here to do this, you have to press this static thing here, static. And here you can change the color. So, but I'm not sure what every slider does. So, so let's change it here to something like this here. I want to do such a orange brown thing. And here it's possible to change the lights. You can play around with it, what you like. You can activate more of the lights and so on. And here are a lot of settings. And so maybe I want it like this. And then here, press here this small plus thing and give the whole thing a name. Clay Orange 2 maybe. So you find now the Clay Orange 2 here in the library, but it's not possible to delete here or rename or do something here like this. And the important thing is here at your profile, there's again such a small orange dot. So press here on the three dots and save it to your profile. So the small dot disappears, and now in the library here you saved here the matcap or something like this. And here it's possible to edit the content, the profile content. So press here and you see here surface views. And here you get your matcaps. So, and here it's possible to delete the preset and rename it. But I think rename has a bug. So it's not possible to rename the whole thing. I don't know. Okay, so that's it. How to create such matcaps. And so I don't like it at the moment. So maybe I change the lighting a little bit. So more like this. And I think I have to rename it. This is really not good. So, okay. And here again, save profile, and then I don't want this other. I don't want this here anymore. Okay, that's it about this shading thing here. Okay, have fun with sculpting and ciao.